To set up a Phantom wallet and create a wallet, follow these steps. First, go to the Phantom website and click on the Add to Browser button to install the Phantom extension. This will allow you to access the Phantom wallet from your browser. Once installed, click on the Phantom icon in your browser toolbar and select Create New Wallet. You will be prompted to create a password for your wallet. Choose a strong and unique password and make sure to store it in a safe place. Next, you will be given a secret recovery phrase. This phrase is used to recover your wallet in case you lose access to it. So make sure to store it in a safe and secure location. Do not share your recovery phrase with anyone, as it can be used to access your wallet and steal your funds. After setting up your wallet, you will be taken to the Phantom dashboard, where you can view your account balance, send and receive cryptocurrency, and manage your wallet settings. Make sure to familiarize yourself with the different features and options available in the dashboard. To add funds to your wallet, click on the Deposit button and select the cryptocurrency you want to deposit. You will be given a deposit address, which you can use to send funds to your wallet. Make sure to only send funds to the address provided by Phantom, as sending funds to the wrong address can result in loss of funds. Finally, make sure to keep your wallet and browser up to date, as updates often include security patches and new features. By following these steps, you can easily set up a Phantom wallet and create a wallet, and start using it to send and receive cryptocurrency.